How to live a happy life. 1. Practice gratitude. Start or end your day by listing 3 things you're thankful for. Gratitude rewires your brain for joy. 2. Stay present. Focus on now, not the past, not the future. Mindfulness equals more peace. 3. Move your body. Even light daily movement boosts mood and energy. 4. Spend time with loved ones. Connection fuels happiness. Quality time greater than screen time. 5. Sleep well. Your brain needs rest. 7 to 8 hours can transform your whole mood. 6. Help someone. Acts of kindness, even small ones, make you feel fulfilled. 7. Set small goals. Progress feels good. Little wins every day equals big happiness over time. 8. Limit negativity. Protect your energy. Say no to toxic people, news, and self-talk.
Dito ako sa camping site, guys. Sa mga train dito sa mga bundok-bundukin dito. Ayan. Ang dami mo pwedeng pasukan dyan. Pahinga na ako dito sa mga pinuntahan ko. Ayan. Dami mga RV dito. So naglibot-libot ako ngayon. Ngolekta ako ng mga flowers. Dito lang ako, paikot-ikot lang. Mainit ng panahon, pero syempre yung init may kasama din lamig, kumahampas na hangin, lalo na naka-e-bike tayo, no? Masarap mag-e-bike, enjoyable, lalo na kapag nag-tour ka lang dito. Konti na naka-e-bike dito, kaya baka na din may sasakyan pagka naka-e-bike ka. Naka-motor na din to. Parang jungle dito.